$10,000 a month, $300 a day, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you CPA marketing unique and secret strategy. In this video, you never seen that strategy before, which I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get started this video. I'm going to show you, but before, make sure you guys must subscribe Hustlers Club, hit the bell icon, and let's get started this video. Back in Cpagrip. So first step is you guys just simply came to Cpagrip, and today I'm going to show you really unique strategy. You never seen that strategy before. For that strategy, we are using Cpagrip. If you don't know, Cpagrip is one of the biggest platform in CPA marketing industry, and we're gonna utilize this platform. And I also show you this platform in my previous videos. What you guys can do once you came to this website first time, simply click register. The good thing about Cpagrip is you guys just literally add your details and your account will be created instantly. But if you go to like any other CPA platform, they will require approval, and it will take a lot of time to approve your account, and a lot of the times the different CPA platforms does not approve your account. So that's why Cpagrip is really good for beginners. So if you're a beginner, so make sure you guys must create your account on Cpagrip. So I have my account, I'm just simply log in, and then I'm going to show you what's that strategy. Okay, so right now you guys can see I am logged in my Cpagrip account, and you guys can see these are the recently added offers, and these are the top performing offers. So we are not gonna select top performing offers normally, because you guys can see the language barrier. Like, it's a really good payout, $9, nearly $10 payout, but you guys can see there's a language barrier. Again, these are really good offers, but we are not going to promote these offers because there's a lot of offers. There is a language barrier, and these are recently added offers. It means these are very new offers. So we are not going to select these kind of offers, and today I'm going to show you very simple strategy and very effective way. Okay, so let's go, and I'm going to show you. So there's, again, I told you there's a lot of ways to do affiliate marketing, like content locker, like file lockers, and a lot of ways, but this is like little bit difficult ways, and it took a lot of time, to be honest. But the easiest way, I literally say for beginners, this is the easiest way. Like, simply click on the offers and go to my offers. So right now you guys can see I am in my offers tab, and you guys can see all the offers. I selected the all countries. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna looking for the English country. So first, let's see the highest. First, we are looking for the highest payout. First, I'm gonna go into the United States, and let's see if United States offers provides you the highest payout or not. So the highest payout is like $2.05, so I don't like this. I'm gonna go with like United Kingdom this time, and let's see. Okay, and I selected United Kingdom, and let's see if United Kingdom offers give you the highest payout, like nearly $10. I'm looking for the $10. Again, they are not giving you the highest payout. Like, they, again, really low payout, $2.82. I'm gonna be looking for another country, like for example Australia this time, and let's see Australia. And you guys can see Australian offers, and looking for the highest payout, and you guys can see the highest payout is like $18.12. so it's a really great offer, to be honest. I really like this, but I'm not gonna promote this one. Why? Because you guys can see the category is like credit card submit. So this offer wants to, you guys can collect other people's credit card details. So it's very hard if you're a beginner. So it's very hard to collect other people's credit card detail, because people are not adding credit card details on this kind of offers normally. Because why? Because it's like insecurity. So that's why it's very hard to create this kind of collect a credit card detail. So that's why I'm not gonna select this kind of offers who says like collect credit card details. Okay, so scroll down, and this is the first offer without credit card, email submit and zip submit. You guys can see $2.22. Again, I'm not gonna select from Australia. It's a good offer again, but you're not be able to collect credit card details from people, because people are not adding. Why? I'm personally not adding the credit card details on this kind of sites. Okay, so let's go to another country like Canada. Let's see this time. You go, it's a Canada, and looking for the highest payout, and there you go, boom. And you guys can see we found that offer. Like, this is a really good offer, pin submit, and $13.69. it's a, I don't know, get deals from the Canada Goose. So I'm gonna go with like this one, get your fitness plan. I think, yes, you guys can see get your fitness plan now, and it's a Canada mobile and email means like it's a number. You guys can see if anyone add their number and click that button, we will generate $13.69. so it's a really high payout. To be honest, I really like this offer and I'm gonna promote this offer, and literally we are providing them a free fitness plan. If anyone add their number and just simply click this button, they literally get a fitness plan, and we will generate $13.69 with that offer, and I really like that offer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna promote this offer, and I'm gonna show you that strategy how you guys can promote. And this is also a fitness offer, right? We are offering them a fitness plan, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna promote this offer. Okay, so first let's looking for the new domain. So these are the very new domains. So what you guys can do, simply copy that link, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna promote. So once you copy that link, next step is we go to this website. This website is called beacons.ai, and we're gonna use this website for creating very simple and basic landing page. And to be honest, like hundreds and like a lot of like influencers are using that builder, or you call it, this is like very similar to Linktree, and we're gonna use this for our basic landing page. So what you guys can do, simply click sign up, and it's super simple to sign up, and it's completely free for sign up for beginners. Okay, so you guys just literally add your username and every single thing and simply click continue. So I have my account, I'm gonna log in my account, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. Okay, so right now you guys can see I am logged in my beacons.ai account, and you guys can see this is how my account looks like. So this is how your landing page will be look like. So first I'm gonna show you, first click on designs, and you guys can see choose a theme. You guys can also able to choose a lot of themes. You guys can see themes here. If you scroll down, you guys can see featured themes and a lot of stuff you guys can find here. Okay, and you guys can also able to generate new themes, but I'm gonna go with like this one because I'm gonna go with like simple, and we are also promoting fitness related, and this again a diet related background, so I like this one. If you click on the customization, you're able to adjust buttons, but first I'm gonna add that, then I'm gonna show you. Okay, so go back to my pages. So you guys can see I added my header. So you guys can also able to upload image, and your image will be here. So I don't want to upload any image. I like white header, and you guys can also able to change the shape, circle or square, what you want, and you guys can do a lot of stuff here. You guys can change the name of this text. You guys can add any bio, location, anything if you want. You guys can also add a lot of stuff. There is a lot of features, literally a lot of features in this website, but I'm gonna go with like very simple and basic features. So this is my header, and now I'm gonna click add a new block, and I'm gonna add a block. So again, they provide you a lot of things, a lot of stuff, and this is one thing, this is completely free account, and they provide you a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna looking for the links. I'm gonna click this, and they provide you link designs. So I'm gonna go with like basic and classic design, classic layout, and you guys click on add a new link. And now here you guys can add your title and add your URL. So I'm gonna add my URL. So this is my Cpagrip affiliate link. If I promote this, if anyone submit email through this link, I will generate a sales, mean I will get like $13.69 in every payout, right? And now I'm gonna name of my title, for example, I'm gonna add like get a fitness plan for yourself. So this is how your button looks like, and just simply close, and this will be saved in your landing page. And this is how your landing page looks like. Again, I'm gonna go into the designs and click on customize, and now you guys can see if you click on 73, and it's a lot of transparency. If you go like 27, again little bit transparency. If you go to like 0, and this is how it looks like. So now you guys can go and design this thing with your own self, and you guys can do a lot of stuff, a lot of options they provide. If you want to change a link colors, button, text color, anything, if you want to change, for example, fonts, and this is how you guys can easily able to change fonts. So I'm gonna go with like this one, and this is how my basic and simple landing page looks like. And now we're gonna promote this link, because you're not be able to promote direct that Cpagrip link, because if you promote anywhere, you will be blocked from that website. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, this is my main link, and this is my username like giveaways. I'm gonna copy that and save in your notepad. So once you save it, then what's our next step is we go to this website. This website is called Facebook. I know a lot of like everyone is using Facebook, but I'm not going to show you the groups strategy. I'm going to show you literally completely different strategy. So once you came to the Facebook, what you guys can do, search, because we are promoting fitness plans, fitness related offers. So what you guys can do, type a gym people and famous fitness influencers. So I already typed few of these. So if I open this, first is like Kai Green. I don't know if you know about this person or not, but I know because this is a really big athlete, and this is a very a lot of people are following this athletes, and this is very famous. So you guys must find this kind of athletes and Facebook, and what you guys can do, you guys can see 14 hours ago this person is posted their photos, and you guys can see comments. You guys click on the comments, and what you guys can do is I'm going to show you. I'm going to copy that so you guys can see what you guys can do. You guys just literally email those people who literally emailed that person like this. Get a free fitness plan for yourself. It's time to change. And here means like I added with my landing page URL, and what you guys can do, just simply click submit, enter, and people will click on this link and people will came to your site. So literally you guys must reply as much people as possible. You guys just scroll down, again click this and simply reply to these people and click enter like this. Okay, scroll down, and you guys can do exactly same thing with all these people. Like again 20 comments. I know not a lot of people are commenting on Facebook, I know, but what you guys can do, you guys can find different posts. Like this person is posted yesterday. What you guys can do, exactly same thing, like click this and start replying to these people literally like this and enter. Okay, so what will happen, these people will literally start getting small notification, like someone literally sends you the email or sends you this message, sorry, not an email, someone sends you the message, and people will see if anyone click this, they go to that your landing page, and they will click and they will add their number. You will generate $13.69. so you guys can see again a lot of people. You guys can literally email them, and you guys don't do with one account. Like go to another account. This is again a different athlete, gym bodybuilder. I know about this one, that's why I open, and this is very famous, and click this, and again you guys just literally click this and start this like this. Okay, and this is how it will take some time to link pop up, but links will pops up definitely like this. You guys can see here, and you guys can reply as much people as possible. So the second account, the third is like this athlete. I know about this. So you guys can see these athletes is literally posting on their Facebook accounts 8 hours ago. This athlete is posted. Again, you guys can see 6 comments right now. You guys just literally start replying to these people. Scroll down. Again, you guys can start replying to these people. I know not a lot of people are posting on their posts, not a lot of people are commenting, but those people who's commenting, who's very engaging people, who definitely will go to your landing page. Okay, and now I'm gonna give you a few estimates how much money you guys can make with this method. But again, this method will took some time. I told you it will took some time. It's easy, it's simple, but it's not very easy. You guys must find bodybuilder or fitness influencer pages and just literally reply to those people who's commenting on their posts. Okay, you guys can see like 15 comments. You guys just literally start replying them with your link. Okay, so now I'm gonna give you estimates potentially how much money you guys can make with this method. Okay, so for example, I'm assuming like you reply 500 up to 1,000 people in a single day, and out of 500 up to 1,000 people, for example, only 22 people submit their numbers, their phone numbers. Only 22 people submit their phone numbers, and our average payout is like $13.69, right? So 22 people multiplied by $13.69 is equal to $301.18 you potentially generate with this method. You guys only need 22 Canadian leads, that's it, and you will start be able to make up to $300 a day with this method. Okay, so with this CPA marketing method, you have potential to make up to $300 a day. You only need 22 Canadian leads per day, and you are able to generate up to $300 a day. But one important thing is, do not use your personal account in this strategy. Might be your account, Facebook disable your account. That's why do not use your own personal account. Create a different account and reply 50 or 60 comments, and then wait for 3 hours, and again reply 50 or 60 comments, and again wait for 3 hours, and do exactly same thing again and again. Okay, and if you are a person who is looking for fast make money online, fastest way to start make money online through affiliate marketing, then make sure watch this video.